डियर स्टूडेंट्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। 12th क्लास बिजनेस स्टडीज़ के प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग पर बात की एंड among four elements we discussed just two: supervision and motivation. And today my topic is leadership, which is third element of directing. लीडरशिप डायरेक्टिंग का एक अहम और ज़रूरी एलिमेंट है। बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की कामयाबी लीडरशिप पर मुनहसर है। दरअसल लीडरशिप वो अमल है या प्रोसेस है जिसके ज़रिए से सबॉर्डिनेट्स, एम्प्लॉयज़ या वर्कर्स के बिहेवियर को एक लीडर अपनी जहानत और इन्फ्लुएंस की वजह से मायल करके वॉलंटरी तौर तैयार करते हैं ताकि वो आगे आए और बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के मुश्तरका मकासद को हासिल करने में अपना कलीदी रोल अदा करें। लीडरशिप की वजह से ही मतलूबा लोगों और एम्प्लॉयज़ तक रसाई हासिल हो जाती है और इनके बिहेवियर को चेंज करने में मदद मिल जाती है। लीडरशिप एक मुसलसल अमल है और बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल्स को हासिल करने में एक लीडर का रोल बहुत ही अहम रहता है। दरअसल किसी बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हेड एक अच्छा लीडर होता है जो अपनी लीडरशिप की वजह से सबॉर्डिनेट्स को सही राह दिखाकर अपने बिजनेस फर्म के मकासद को पूरा करता है और वक्त वक्त पर अपने सबॉर्डिनेट्स या फॉलोअर्स की रहबरी करता है, इनको इंस्ट्रक्शंस फराहम करता है, अपनी गाइडेंस और डायरेक्शन की मदद से कामयाबी की बुलंदियां हासिल करता है। Leadership is an important element of directing. It plays a very important role in the success of an organization. Leadership can be defined as a process of influencing the behavior of the people to voluntarily act for attainment of organizational objectives. It is concerned with maintaining personal relations with followers and motivate them to contribute for achieving goals of the organization. According to Gay and Strake, leadership is both a process and property. The process of leadership is the use of non coercive influence to direct and coordinate the activities of the members of an organized group towards the accomplishment of group objectives. As a property, leadership is the set of qualities or characteristics attributed to those who are perceived to successfully employ such influence. According to George Terray, leadership is the activity of influencing people to strive willingly for group objectives. Actually, leadership is a process of influencing people. It aims at bringing changes in behavior of people. It is a never ending or a continuous process. Leadership is practiced to achieve organizational goals, and it explains the relations between leaders and followers. So, we came to know that leadership is an important factor in the success of an organization. A leader not only provides information about the organizational goals but also pools the required resources, guides, and motivates his followers for achieving the organizational goals. Leadership involves influencing the behavior of the people and making them contribute their full efforts for the good of an organization. A good leader helps in solving the conflicts among the followers and also removes their negative feelings. A leader always maintains personal relations with his followers and provides them the required confidence support and encouragement. This helps in creating healthy working environment. A good leader helps in solving the problem of resistance to changes by inspiring and persuading them to accept the changes without any discontentment. A leader also makes arrangement for the training of his subordinates. Now, we will see the qualities of a good leader. Now, first, a successful leader must have physical features. That is, physical personality of an individual consists of features like health, height, appearance, weight, etc. These features attract people. Healthy leader generally works hard and also inspires his followers to work with some same potential. Number second quality that must have a good leader is knowledge. In order to instruct and inspire the subordinates, a leader is required to have complete knowledge regarding a particular job. Number third is integrity. A leader should possess high level of integrity and honesty. He should be a model to others regarding the ethics and values he preaches. Number fourth point is initiative. A good leader possesses the quality of courage and initiative. He should grab the opportunities as and when they come and should use them for the benefit of the organization. Number fifth point that is related with the qualities of a good leader is communication skills. A leader should have ability to express and make people understand his ideas. He is required to be a good listener, counselor, and persuader, along with being a good speaker too. Number sixth point that is related with the quality of a good leader is motivation skills. A leader is required to be a good motivator. He should identify the needs of the people and should motivate them through satisfying their needs. Number seventh point that is related with the quality of a good leader is self confidence. A good leader should be self confident so that he can win the trust of his followers. Also, he must be willing to accept a responsibility in order to provide and maintain the confidence of his followers. A leader should always try to retrain his self confidence even in most difficult times. Number seventh point that is related with the quality of a good leader is social skills. A good leader should be friendly and sociable and should maintain friendly relations with his followers and colleagues. Friends, today we know regarding leadership, that is third element of directing, and will meet you tomorrow inshallah with the next topic about communication, which is fourth element of directing. Till then, Allah Hafiz.